In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Depop to your Cash App. So to transfer your money from Depop to your Cash App, you can't directly link them, but you can move the money or the funds through your linked bank account. So here's how you can do it. So the first thing you need to do is just withdraw from your Depop. So if you are a seller on the Depop, first withdraw the funds from your Depop balance to your bank account. Depop use either PayPal or Depop payments, which is usually processed through Stripe for payout. So you can go to your Depop account and then navigate to the setting or the balance section and then initiate a withdrawal to your linked bank account. So the second thing you have to do is just transfer the funds that you have withdrawn from Depop to your bank account to your Cash App. So when the funds are in your bank account, you can open the Cash App and then tap on banking tab. Then there will be an option of add cash. Simply select that and then enter the amount you want to transfer. After this, simply confirm the transfer using your linked bank account. So that is how you can transfer your money from Depop to your Cash App. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.